How to delete wallet in Trust Wallet app. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete wallet in Trust Wallet app. To do so, first of all, open your Trust Wallet application on your mobile device and here make sure you are logged into your account. Once after logging into your account, you will land on this home page. Here, before deleting your Trust Wallet, make sure you have backed up an important data or recovery phase associated with that wallet, as deletion is permanent and it cannot be undone. If in the future if you want to recover your account, you may not be able to do so if you didn't back up now. To do so, in this home screen, you will need to tap on the settings icon at the top left corner of your screen, and once you reach to this page, tap on your wallet at the top. Here, select your wallet and tap on the three dots at the right side of it. Within this page, you'll be able to see the backups option, whether to back up via Google Drive or manually. You can select one of these options and tap on it. After tapping on it, you will be asked to enter your passcode. After entering the passcode, you will be able to access your recovery phase. Make sure to keep it confidential and do not share with others. It's better to note it down in a safe place. Once after doing that, now you can return back, and in this page here at the top right, you will be able to see the dustbin icon. Go ahead and tap on this dustbin icon. A pop-up will appear on your screen. Here it asks you to confirm the deletion. Go ahead and tap on delete button right here. You will be prompted to enter your passcode, and after that, you will see you have successfully deleted your wallet on Trust Wallet app. Now in the future, if you want to use your wallet, you will need to either create a new wallet or select the add existing wallet if you have the recovery phase available with you. So by following these steps, you should be able to delete a wallet in Trust Wallet app. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.